look back, and move forward. Join Beyond Norm Topicmaster and start a new chapter in your English learning journey.
Hello and welcome. You know that time between the end of one year and the start of another? It's a pretty special moment to just pause. So in this explainer, we're going to take a little guided journey through the year we've just had, so we can step into the new one feeling clear and ready. So think of this as a quiet moment just for you. There are no right or wrong answers here, really. It's just a chance to connect with your own experiences. The idea is simple. Let's look back with a little understanding so we can move forward with real intention. Every new year kind of feels like turning the page to a new chapter in your story, doesn't it? You know, to start writing a great new chapter, it really helps to understand the one that just finished. So to help us do that, we're going to explore 4 powerful questions together. Think of each one as a little signpost on your journey, just something to help you see where you've been and maybe decide where you want to go next. Okay, first up, let's turn our attention to the year that's now behind us. By really thinking about our best moments and our toughest challenges, we gather all the wisdom we need for the road ahead. Let's start with the good stuff. Here's our first question. What was the best thing that happened to you last year? And in what way has it shaped your future plans or mindset? So what comes to mind? It really doesn't have to be some huge life-changing event. Maybe you met a new person who's really special, or you learned a cool new skill. It could even be a simple happy memory with your family. Figuring this out helps you see what truly brings you joy. And if you're trying to find the right words, you could start your answer with something like, the best thing that happened to me was, or maybe, I learned that I am good at. Just see which one feels right for you. All right, now let's look at the other side of things. It's in facing our challenges that we often find our biggest growth. So the next question is, what was the most challenging or difficult event you experienced last year? And how might it influence your future decisions or growth? You know, a challenge can be so many different things. It might have been a really tough project at work or a personal goal that really tested you. Or maybe it was just a time you felt nervous, but you pushed through anyway. These are the moments that show us just how strong we are. To help you frame your thoughts, you could start with, the most challenging event was when, and then think about what that experience really taught you. The key is to find that lesson, that little piece of growth, inside the difficulty. Okay, we've spent some time looking in the rearview mirror. Now, with everything we've learned, let's turn around and look at the future with some energy and excitement. It's time to dream a little and start designing the year ahead. This is a fun one, because having something to look forward to, well, it gives us so much motivation. So our third question is, what are you most looking forward to in the coming year, and how do you think it will impact your life? So what puts a smile on your face when you think about the new year? It could be a trip you're planning, a new hobby you've been wanting to try, or maybe it's just spending more time with the people you love. To talk about this excitement, you could start with, in the coming year, I am looking forward to, or even just, I am excited about. This really helps you focus all your energy on the good things that are coming your way. Okay, for our final question, let's get practical. Let's turn all these hopes and dreams into an actual plan. So, what are 2 short-term goals and 1 long-term goal you want to achieve, and what steps will you take to reach them? First off, what's the difference? Well, it's pretty simple. Short-term goals are things you can do soon, like next week or next month. They help you build momentum. A long-term goal, that's your bigger dream, the thing that guides you over time. And really, you need both. You know what they say? A goal without a plan is just a wish. So let's make a super simple one. Step 1, be really clear about your goal. Step 2, list out the small actions you need to take to get there. And step 3, this is the most important part, just take that very first step. Here are a few phrases to help make your goals feel real. You can say, my short-term goal is to, and for that big dream, my long-term goal is to, and then you make a commitment. The first step I will take is. So there we have it. We've looked at the past, we've planned for the future. You've basically created a map for yourself. Now the pen is in your hand. Your next chapter? It starts right now. I love this quote from Mark Twain. It says it all, doesn't it? The secret of getting ahead is getting started. You've already done the hard work of thinking and planning. Now all that's left is to take that first small step. As we wrap up, I'll leave you with this one last thought to ponder. If your life is a book and this new year is a brand new chapter, what is the very first word you're going to write? Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you an absolutely wonderful year ahead.
A new start is ahead. What are you waiting for? Take your first step with Beyond Norm today. Join Beyond Norm Output Training to master English speaking and writing. Click the link below to get started.